Hello, welcome to episode 368. We are going to be drinking too many potions. Well, actually, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be punishing the player if they drink too many potions. Now, you can have this work for any potion, or you can have it work for a specific potion, which is how I've got it set up at the moment. I show you how to do both. So, if we drink one potion, it's going to give us a number. Well, I've actually got a tequila instead. And if I drink one, it's added 600. Now, I'm in the yellow. If I drink another one, I'm going to be punished. But if we wait a little bit of time, it will drop down and it will go green. And now it's safe to drink another one. Okay, I can drink another one now. This time I'm going to be a bit reckless. It's Saturday night, I'm with my friends, I'm having fun. I'm going to drink another one. Oh, I think maybe that was one too many. Now, obviously, you can change the numbers to whatever you like. This is going to stay like this until it gets to 1,000. Maybe I should just clear it. No, we'll wait. We'll wait for it to go down. So basically, that is pretty much it. Every time the player drinks a potion, or a specific potion, they get a number added. And if that number is a specific level, then they get punished or not. Up to you. I'd like it to have a watch or something that told me exactly this. So if it did go out on a Saturday night, I could look at a number and go, yeah, I won't have another one tonight. I think I'll leave it. Anyway, that's waffling, isn't it? I'm waffling. Let me show you how to build it. We're in version 1.20.6. So let's get on and build it now. Okay, we're going to start off with a couple of scoreboard objectives. And I am going to be storing whether or not the player has used a potion. And also I'm going to store a value. And the value is going to increase each time they use a potion. The idea being, if they use too many potions, we're going to do something to them. Maybe you've got a puzzle map or something, and you only want them to use a potion now and then. Who knows? But we are punishing players for drinking too many potions. That's what we're doing. So we're going to scoreboard objectives, add, I'll have one called used underline potion. That's my name for it. And it will be of type used : potion. Now, whenever a player uses a potion, we will know they'll get one added to their score, and we'll have scoreboard objectives, and I'll just put value for this one, and it'll be a dummy. I'm going to increase that myself, and so this is going to detect when they drink a potion. This is going to get added to every time they drink a potion, and I'm going to have to give myself an item. I'm going to give myself a custom item, or a custom potion. So give nearest player a potion, and now my brain will try and remember how to do this in 1.20.6. So it's helpful because it gives us a list of stuff we can look at. I want an item name, and we can do apostrophe, curly brackets, text. Oops, I didn't put my speech marks, colon, speech marks, text. I'm going to call mine Tequila, so I'm going to get punished if I drink too much tequila. There we go. So we can have it like that. That's perfectly acceptable, and then we'll move off to the next component. But I'm not adding any colour or any font or any font style or anything, so we can make this even easier. We can take out a lot of this stuff. We don't need the curly brackets. And we can remove all this stuff here. That should work. That should just give us a white name. Okay. So there's an option for you if you want to do it that way. I'm going to leave in the whole lot. So we get to the end, we close it with the curly brackets, and we close the apostrophes. There we go, just in case you wanted a colour. I'll put a colour in as well. Colour, tequila can be yellow, I suppose. Well, there's no point putting it as white. Let's leave it as yellow. That'll do. Okay, we took a long time on the name. Let's move on. I want some custom data. So custom, and it's telling me underline data, thank you, equals. Open and close curlies, and it's going to be a drink, and my drink is a tequila. In real life, my drink is not a tequila. I'm not a fan of tequila. I'll go for a vodka. But drink responsibly now. Okay. Right, I want some potion contents. So I love the way it just suggests everything for you. It's very helpful for people like me who are a bit, bad at remembering things. In my potion contents, I'm going to have a custom color. I want a whitey color. I've written down the number 160 56 286. Now, I made this command in MC Stacker, so I'll put a link to that in the description. It makes it so easy to get things like the custom color and stuff. I want some custom effects, which should be square brackets, and I'm going to have one effect. So there's the curly brackets for my one effect. Now, clearly I've made a mistake already. I think it's probably telling me off because I haven't put any information in there. So let's start filling some information and see if it gets happy. So we'll have an ID. It's not happy yet. I'll have Minecraft slowness. Aha! Okay, now it's happy. It's saying, oh, I know what you're trying to do now. I'm happy again. Okay. So when I drink my tequila, I'm going to get slowness. And I'll have an amplifier of 0. We don't want to be too slow. And I'll have a duration of, 30 seconds. What's that? 30 times 20? 600. And show particles. No, thank you. So can we put false? We'll put 0B. There we go. So that should be done. Let's give it a test. Let's press done and get one. And let's look at it. Ooh, okay. I don't like that. There's a lot of information just for a shot of tequila. Now I've got F3 and H pressed. So I had advanced tooltips. Let's hide them and have a look at it again. Okay, still too much. What we can do is we can come in here and I think we could probably just put it at the end there. I don't think it has to go in anything special. So let's go right at the end. We're still inside the square brackets though. And we'll add a hide additional. Oh, lovely. It's filling it in for me. Hide additional tooltip equals open and close. We'll just hide all the additional tooltips. Okay. Done. And we'll have that one. So we've got this one here, and this one just says tequila. Fantastic. Let's get rid of that scummy one. That can go away. Nice. I'm going to put my F3 and H back on again. Right. Okay, so we've got our tequila, and it's got a custom tag on it. And if we drink it, we should have a custom effect. We've got slowness. Cool, so I'm a little bit slow. Slowness is not going to increase though. If I drink more and more tequila, I'm not going to get slower and slower. I'm just going to put it back to 30. So let's have a controller to do some extra stuff. Okay, so we'll have a controller. So we're repeating. Yeah. So I'm going to execute as any player whose scores equals used a potion equals 1 or higher. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run scoreboard players add for that player at S used value 600. Okay, so that's okay. So every time I drink a potion, it should go up by 600. But my used potion score hasn't reset, so it's just going to fly up. So we better also do scoreboard players reset for all players. We can put in here as well, scores equals used potion equals 1 or higher. I'm not sure if that actually makes it faster or any difference. Used potion. If you know the answer, if we take this off and we just have all players, is that slower than doing all players who have used a potion? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's turn that on. And let's do scoreboard objectives, set display on the sidebar, value. So I've got 600. I'm going to drink one. Now I've got 1,200. Cool. Okay, this is good. So this beginning works if you want to punish them for every potion they drink. So if I get a night vision potion, or any potion actually, let's do P-O-T-I. Let's get any potion. I'll check to see if it works with awkward. But we'll have a night vision as well. Does it work with awkward? Yep. And night vision? Yep. So any potion they drink. I'm looking now, I've got those horrible particles. Effect. Clear. Don't want the particles. Right. So if you want it to work with any potion, that is fine. I don't. I only want it to work with my shot of tequila. So in here, I'm going to pop a predicate. I'm going to execute as scores equals use potion if predicate. This will be my predicate, and then we'll go on to the run. Now, if you're using a data pack, you could use an advancement as well. You could have an advancement that checked when they drank a potion with set MBT, and that run a function, and the function would revoke the advancement. When we get on to doing data packs, maybe we'll do that one as well. For now, we're just going to do an inline predicate. Right, I need a condition. Condition. My condition, I'm going to Minecraft entity properties. Okay. After my condition, I will have two more of these. Entity properties. Which entity? This entity. Okay. What are you going to do? I'm going to do a predicate. Or what is your... That's not going to work. Predicate. Okay. What do you want inside your predicate? Well, I want to check the equipment. Equipment. Ah, okay. What equipment do you want to check? Okay. I want to check the main hand. Okay. What do you want to check in the main hand? I want to check the main hand's components. Okay. And what components would you like to check? I would like to check the Minecraft custom data. Ah, and what are you looking for? I'm looking for my custom tag, drink tequila. Right, there we go. Let's try that. Have we remembered it right? We kind of made a story out of it to help me remember. Let's get ourselves any other potion. I should have kept one. Okay, let's get the awkward one. And let's drink it. Will our score go up? No. Okay, we expected that. Now, will it go up if we drink the tequila? Yes. Okay, so now it only works for tequila. Let's get rid of the awkward potion. Cool. So our score is going up. So I think the first thing we want to do is to stick with the terminology or the analogy I'm already using. I suppose we want to get less drunk over time, I suppose. So let's do scoreboard, players, remove all players whose scores equals value equals 1 or higher, value 1. Okay, so now, there we go. I'm starting to sober up. I'm feeling a bit better now. Right. So we've got a value we can use. Each time we drink a potion, the value goes up. And if we're not drinking, it just slowly ticks down. So let's give them an effect based on that. So let's effect give any player whose scores equals, and obviously you can pick any values you want. I'm going to say value equals, let's say, 1,000 or higher. Okay, so if it's 1,000 or higher, I'm going to give you nausea. I'm going to give, or nausea, as one of my students called it. Only once, because I corrected them. How long for? We'll just do 4 seconds. And we'll have 0 amplifier, and we'll hide the particles. So, Now, if my value is higher than, well, it is, and I'm going to get nausea. Okay, I'm going to have nausea for a long time, so I'm going to do scoreboard players reset myself value. Okay, let's get rid of that. So now I should be safe drinking 1. No problem at all. But I'm a bit of a lightweight. If I drink 2 shots of tequila, and I am starting to feel a little bit dizzy. Oh, not for long. That's all right. It clears up quickly. If I have another one, obviously, it's going to last longer. Now, if you wanted to do worse effects, we could say here score equals 1,000 to 2,000. And then we could copy that and paste it in there. And then we could say 2,001 to 3,000. And we could give them something else. And we could keep adding these here. I'm only going to do the nausea for now. So I'm going to get rid of that one. And I'm going to put this back to 1,000. There we go. Let's display. Let's move that value from the sideboard and put it on the action bar. Okay, let's just do a quick and dirty little display on the action bar. So we'll execute as any player whose scores equals value equals, I suppose, 1 or higher. Now let's say, so we get 600 every time we drink 1. So let's say 1 to 399, run title at S onto the action bar. Going to have a list of things. Going to have 1, 2 things. The first one is going to be text and a color. So let's do that one first. So text is just going to be level. Let's make it look a bit nicer. Text is going to be level and a space. Color, I'm safe at the moment, so I'm going to go with green. Now it's unhappy because I haven't filled the information in. And this one's going to be a score. How do we do score? Score, open and close curly. And then we need 2 sets of these. Okay, and then we'll fill that in. So this is going to be a score. And we'll have a name. And I'm executing as myself at the moment. Or I'm executing as any player with a value higher than 1. So we can put at S. That's not going to work, is it? Put at S in there. And what objectives do I want to display? I want to display the objective value. Okay, done. Now it's not showing up because it should be 399. There it is. Okay, so it's green. I'm safe. I'm safe to drink another tequila. No problem. And it stopped showing it because it's now higher than 399. Now I'm just going to control middle mouse and paste another one of those in. And I'm going to say, what should we have here? Yellow or gold? Actually, I don't think yellow is... I'll try it with yellow. I think it might have to be gold. Now, on the other hand, if my score is 400 to 999, if I drink one, I'm now going to be drunk. So I'm in danger zone. Okay, it does show up. So danger. If I drink one now, I am going to be a little bit drunk. Oh, dear me. Shouldn't have drunk that one. Okay, that's fine. And I'm going to paste another one of these in. Oh, dear. Stop it. There we go. And we'll change the colour to red. And we'll just say if the score's 1,000 or higher. There we go. So my levels, I tell you what, if I would go out on a Saturday night, it'd be quite nice to have one of these things and know exactly how much I can have. How many of my potions can I imbibe? Okay, at the moment we're in the danger zone. If we have another one, ooh, we're going to be in trouble. Let's get rid of that scoreboard from the side while we're here. We don't need that anymore. Okay, let's drink another one. Well, let's wait. Let's watch it drop down. There we go, it goes green. Drink one. Ah, I'm all right. I can have another one. But I'm going to be drunk. Oh dear. There we go. Okay, I could keep going on about this for ages. Right. We're done. It's working. I'm sorry about this. I'm a little bit dizzy. Can we just speed that up a bit quickly? Let's reset the value. There we are. Okay, so there we are. We've got a custom potion. And every time we use it, we're adding a value. And then if the player's using the custom potion too much, we're punishing them in some way. You can make with that what you will. Apparently, I've turned it into a Saturday night out and I'm having tequilas. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.